Your doctor says you have high blood pressure and hands you a prescription. But here's what they're not telling you. Your body isn't broken. It's actually trying to save your life. What if I told you that high blood pressure is a symptom, not the disease itself? Let me explain what's really happening inside your body right now. Think of your arteries like a garden hose. A new, flexible hose expands slightly when water flows through it, absorbing the pressure smoothly. But leave that same hose in the sun for months, and something changes. It becomes rigid, cracked, brittle. Now, when water flows through, it can't expand anymore. The pressure has nowhere to go but up. That's exactly what's happening in your arteries. When you're healthy, your arterial walls are flexible. Every time your heart beats, your arteries expand slightly to accommodate the blood flow. It's a beautiful, synchronized system. But over time, something sinister happens. Your arterial walls begin to calcify. They start filling with calcium deposits, becoming stiff and inflexible. You're essentially mummifying from the inside out. The walls become rigid, inflammation sets in, cells die, and your body panics. So, what does it do? It sends cholesterol to patch up the damage. Now, most people think cholesterol is the villain that clogs your arteries. That's backwards. Cholesterol is the repair crew your body sends to fix walls that are already damaged. It's like blaming firefighters for the fire. But here's the critical part. Once your arteries lose their flexibility, your heart has no choice but to increase the pressure. Why? Because your cells are dying for oxygen and nutrients. Your brain needs blood. Your organs need blood. So your heart pumps harder, raises the pressure, and forces blood through these rigid, narrowed passages. The elevated blood pressure isn't the disease. It's your body's desperate attempt to keep you alive. So, what causes this arterial rigidity in the first place? First, dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes thicker, harder to pump. Your body compensates by raising pressure. Second, too many refined carbohydrates. When you eat processed foods, white bread, sugar, your blood glucose spikes. This forces your body to produce massive amounts of insulin. And here's something most people don't know. Insulin signals your kidneys to retain sodium. More sodium means more water retention. More water retention means higher blood pressure. Third, mineral deficiencies. Your arterial walls need magnesium and potassium to stay flexible. Without them, the calcification process accelerates. See, it's not just one thing. It's a cascade of metabolic chaos that your body is trying to manage, and high blood pressure is the red warning light on your dashboard. The good news? This is reversible. Proper hydration can dramatically lower your pressure. Cutting refined carbohydrates reduces insulin, which lets your kidneys release excess sodium. Supplementing with magnesium and potassium restores arterial flexibility. The right dietary changes can transform your cardiovascular system. But you have to understand the cause to address it correctly. Taking a pill that forces your blood pressure down without fixing the underlying rigidity, the inflammation, the mineral deficiencies, that's like removing the battery from your smoke detector while your house is on fire. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It doesn't raise your blood pressure to harm you. It raises it to save you. The question is, are you going to listen to what it's trying to tell you? Understanding your body is the first step to healing it. Make the choice today. Don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom and life-changing content.